At the hire shop, we have the tools and equipment to get it home and get your next job done, like this panel lift. You can lift plaster sheets approximately 3 metres high for walls and ceilings. In this video, I'll show you the key things you need to know when hiring a panel lift. Before hiring the panel lift, the safety gear you may need to purchase is a hard hat, dust mask, safety glasses, safety gloves, and always remember appropriate clothing and footwear. But don't forget, we do have our courtesy trailer service to help you get it home. To use the panel lift safely, make sure you have the base on a nice and flat level surface, making sure when using the raising arm not to put your fingers or anything through the spokes of the wheel, and also when you do have the load raised, not to move the panel lift around the floor. And remembering that the panel lift is only suitable for lifting plaster sheets. Now, it's important to get to know the key components of the panel lift before you use it. We have the tripod base, your winching arm and brake, your cross arm, and of course, your telescopic arm. To disassemble the panel lift for transport is really easy. Firstly, remove the cross arms, then lift the cradle out of the telescopic frame. The next step is to lock the telescopic frame with this latch. Next, lift the support arm of the winch and wind it into place. Now you can lift the frame out of the telescopic base. And finally, press the release clip and fold the tripod base. Okay, now I'll show you how the panel lift operates. Once you've got the panel lift in the position required underneath the area, make sure you lower the backstop to hold the unit in place. On the back here, we'll drop the clip and tilt the cradle to 65 degrees for ease of loading. From here, we'll drop out from the cradle and extend our arms out to the desired size of our sheet. And now we're ready to load our plasterboard. Now we've got our plasterboard safely loaded, we'll tilt it flat, lock the pin at the back, and get ready to raise our plasterboard up to ceiling height with the winching arm. And now we've got our plasterboard safely in position, we can fix it to the ceiling. So to lower the panel lift, right hand to support the winch, left hand to release the brake, and just safely lower it back down, back into its neutral position. Now that the job is done, clean the panel lift of any dust and debris and return it back to store. For more detailed information on hiring a panel lift, visit the hire shop at your local Bunnings warehouse and a team member will be happy to help you out.